Welcome back everybody to week 7. You are here with us today to come and check on the bluebirds, on the tree swallows, and with the purple martins. Today we have 2 friends with us and they're right here. So we have
Maria, Santiago.
And what are you guys doing this morning?
We're bird searching.
We are bird monitoring.
Bird monitoring.
Alright, so you'll see them with us today.
There were 2 eggs last week.
We still had 2 eggs.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. 1.
And then I make notes.
Yeah, 2 eggs.
2 eggs, huh?
Yeah, sure.
And then I put this information on nest left.
I don't think the eggs are okay.
This highly suspicious. And she had, no, they're not okay. When she had her first nest, she had 3 or 4 that were bad, and then she pushed them into the nest and put a little more nest material. Let me get you something here. Removed, bad. Are they?
Eyes open?
Yeah, I can't see. So that's okay, the feathers are coming out?
Yes.
Eyes open.
Eyes open, a lot of feathers.
Okay.
They're 9 to 10 days old.
Okay, Santiago. I got it.
I got it. You got it?
Yeah, she just pooped in my hand.
Oh.
So this is a first year female tree swallow, and if she was 2 years old or older, she would be more blue-green.
Mm-hmm.
So the first year female does not get the full breeding molt. And then she has what's called a brood patch. See how it's devoid of feathers?
Yeah.
Feel how warm that is. It's really warm, isn't it? So she's keeping the eggs and the young warm. But this is her first year to have young. So it's pretty cool. And she was probably in Florida last year. A lot of them go to the southern part of the United States. Okay. So that's how you hold a bird. So her head, her neck goes between, don't squeeze too hard, between these 2 fingers, okay? And see how she has a little beak? So what she's going to eat is insects when they're flying. Sometimes they won't be, but most of the time it's flying insects. So she's called an aerial insect eater. And she gets these little insects, and with her tongue, she rolls them into a ball, and the ball of protein is called a bolus. Mm-hmm. And that's what she feeds the young. So I'm going to let go of her, if she'll let go of me. Uh-huh. Okay, and then when you want to, turn toward that opening, and then you can just lift her up and let go.
I need to close it because it's too cold. But yeah. They have 1 egg and a few babies.
All this here is milkweed. This is for the monarch butterflies. So they lay their eggs on the leaves, and then they have baby butterflies, and then they fly to Mexico every year.
No, nada. Four eggs. One, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Oh, there's. Oh, yeah. You see the little babies? They start open their eyes. Oh. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
So how are you liking it so far?
Are you good?
Yeah, you like birds?
Okay.
What's your favorite bird?
Tree swallow.
You liking it so far?
It's fun. It's so cool. I've never, I guess, noticed like how delicate and how they've changed and evolved from like the eggs, and then just 9 days they have feathers. Oh, look, one was about to go in.
Yeah, that mommy.
Mama.
All
It's just
right.
really cool.
Yeah. There's the
She
mommy.
come out?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, she was on 5 eggs last week. They should be about 12, 13.
Oh no, it's empty. They're already
They
gone?
closed already?
Yeah, it's empty.
Sorry about that.
Sorry, Bill.
Okay. They were.
Once the babies are gone, we clean out the nest.
Yeah. Thank you.
So then does the next bird mom make the
Yep.
nest? Oh, their beaks are so cute.
Their eyes are open. They have feathers.
You can take one out to show him.
And how old is this one?
How old is this one, darling? How old?
About 9 days, 9 to 10.
Oh, let me take a picture. Wait, no.
Oh, yeah, guys.
¿Por qué le pones la mano?
Yeah. Oh, they start open their eyes. Oh.
20 days before they go.
Ah. Yeah, they're hungry too.
We'll just close it back up. But yeah,
Yeah.
they could see them, but
Yeah, they're hungry.
yeah.
Eyes are open.
Okay. They should be about 8 or 9 days old.
Yeah, they have feathers.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, it's time for the purple martin. Okay, so my GoPro died, so I'm just gonna use my phone for now. We're ready to check the rigs for the purple martins.
So they will give me the letter of the gourd, but I can't have 4 of you doing it at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay, this one
Oh
is...
no! There's an egg out in the opening. It's cracked.
Okay, if you could take it, throw it in the water.
O is
Well,
a nest.
We found a house sparrow nest and we have to clean it out so they don't come and bother them.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, there's a feather in there.
Yeah, leave the pine needles if you can.
Yes.
So that's the one that came out of.
So another type of bird that kills these is coming to invade them. And if he stays in here, they go inside and start eating all the other. F has 5 eggs. Yes, Edward has 6.
Wow.
G has a nest.
Okay. Does B have 5 eggs?
6.
6?
Yes. Actually, there's 7. We're gonna go check on a bluebird nest.
5 eggs. Yes. This is the one for last week.
They won't let you. They're trying to drive you away from their nest.
Mom, that worked. Oh, so cute. Hey, put it. They're hungry. Let me check. 1. Okay, move. 1, 2, 3 men. They're hungry. 3. Yeah, 6. Go. Stay there. Stay there. Yes. Their eyes are open too. No, mom, today. Nobody is attacking me. Hi, little one. Oh. Hey. A ver, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6. Look, this one is the one who was born the last. This is the one who have less feather. We have his big sister or brother. Look at the difference. And like this one's the firstborn. So, okay. So we're gonna come back together. Okay, go with your brothers and sisters.
Okay, Darlene.
Okay.
What is the total of eggs?
Okay, the total of purple martin eggs for today is 101 for the 3 rigs. So yeah,
That's awesome.
Very good. Muy bueno.
Muy bueno.
Yeah.
You guys want to know how many total eggs we found today? Just on those rigs?
Like 30.
101.
Whoa!
Just on those 3 rigs for
was
the purple
lowballing
birds
it.
over there.
I lowballed
Over
it.
there. So thank you for coming.
Thanks for inviting us. It was lots of fun.
Yeah. So later on in next month, a big group of us are gonna come in and clean out. We take the babies out, put them in a bucket, clean all the pine needles, and then put new pine needles in and put the babies back.
That sounds like fun.
So if you guys want to come and join us,
Yeah.
and if you guys watch and want to come and join us, let me know, or let Darlene know.
Definitely come back. You wanna come back? Yeah.
I hope you guys had fun.
It was lots of fun. It was cool. I've never seen like the babies and right after hatching. That was so cool.
Yeah, and there's, you learn about 3 different types of birds today. So everybody, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming along. Make sure you subscribe. Click on that little bell notification so that you know once that new video goes up. And if you want to help out, check out the donations links on the description below. If you have questions, make sure you write them in the comments and we'll get back to you. So we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.